Imagine if your morning coffee could buy you a piece of Apple or Tesla. Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what micro-investing apps do, by turning your spare change and small amounts into real investments. No big starting capital, no complicated process, just everyday money growing toward your financial future. In this video, I'll walk you through some of the most popular micro-investing apps you can try in 2025. Welcome to Grow My Saving. Today, we'll cover what micro-investing apps are and how they work, the most popular apps available right now, benefits and possible downsides to watch out for, and how these tools can help you start investing, even if you're on a tight budget. So, what exactly is micro-investing? It's a way of investing small amounts of money, sometimes just pennies at a time, without needing hundreds or thousands of dollars. These apps often round up your purchases, so if you buy lunch for $7.40, it invests the extra 60 cents. Schedule small automatic deposits, like $5 every week, and offer fractional shares, meaning you can own part of a stock or ETF without paying the full price. In short, micro-investing apps make investing accessible for anyone, no matter your starting budget. Now let's look at some apps making waves this year. Acorns, probably the most famous one. It automatically rounds up your spending and invests the spare change. It also has retirement account options for when you're ready to plan long-term. Plum, great if you want smart automation. It analyzes your spending habits and helps you save and invest in sector-focused funds like tech or healthcare. eToro. This one is unique because it supports both traditional stocks and crypto, plus it has copy trading, so you can follow experienced investors and mirror their trades. New Wealth, formerly Wombat. Perfect if you like themed portfolios like sustainability or technology. You can choose based on your interests and values. Robinhood, famous for making stock trading commission-free. You can buy fractional shares, invest in ETFs, and even dabble in crypto, all with just a few dollars. SoFi Invest offers both hands-off investing through a robo-advisor and hands-on trading if you want to pick your own. Plus, they give access to financial planners, free. Stash, known for being beginner-friendly. It teaches you the basics while recommending portfolios based on your risk level. You can start with as little as $5. Each of these apps lowers the barriers, so even if you only have a few dollars left at the end of the week, you can still be an investor. Why do so many beginners love these apps? Because they make investing easy. Automatic deposits mean you don't have to think about it. Affordable, you don't need to save hundreds before starting. Educational, many apps include learning tools to guide you. Weekend, accessible, all from your smartphone. Most importantly, they help you build the habit of investing, which is the real key to growing wealth over time. But here's a heads up. Some apps charge monthly or management fees. On small balances, those can add up fast. Your investment choices may be limited compared to full brokerages. So think of micro-investing as a starting point, a way to build momentum and confidence before moving to bigger platforms later. Have you ever tried a micro-investing app? If yes, which one and what did you think? If not, which app from this list sounds most interesting to you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experience. So to recap, micro-investing apps like Acorns, Plum, Robinhood, and Stash make investing simple, automatic, and beginner-friendly. They're not perfect, but they're a fantastic first step if you want to get started today with just a few dollars. Thanks for watching Grow My Saving. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more investing tips. And in the next video, we'll look at the best beginner-friendly investment platforms. Perfect for when you're ready to take your investing to the next level. 2.0.